Meaning of greyhound racing.
Greyhound racing.
Greyhound racing.
Greyhound racing.
Greyhound racing. Greyhound racing is a sport where trained greyhounds compete in races around an oval track. The goal is to be the first dog to cross the finish line. This type of racing has been a popular pastime for over 100 years, especially in the UK, Ireland, Australia, and the US. However, it has also been highly controversial, with concerns raised over animal welfare and treatment. In recent years, there has been a decrease in the popularity of greyhound racing due to public pressure and increased awareness of the negative impact on the dogs' lives.